event is the World Music Drumming Workshop that's co-sponsored by World Music Drumming and West Music. World Music Drumming educates professional music educators from all around the region in how to teach music through a multicultural approach. The learning experience this has provided for our music educators is a way to teach rhythm and teach multicultural music, and through drumming, through things like tubanos, rain sticks, cowbells. We have even something called talking drums. They're just really very cool instruments, and it also involves movement. So a lot of these skills they're learning right now are things that they can use, particularly with children with developmental disabilities or even some sort of emotional disabilities. We're really happy they're here, and we're looking forward to having them take all of these new things they've learned out to their classrooms in the fall. It's important for Murray State and the Department of Music to offer these opportunities to our local educators because we are a leader in education in the region. We're hoping this will be known as the first annual World Music Drumming Workshop, and that next year we'll be able to offer more.